Alright, here we go. So this is an automated program using PyAutoGUI, and it's opening up an Android emulator on my laptop. I use the time module to put spaces in between so that it would wait for the apps to load. Now it's going to click on this streaming app called LiveMe, which is like a live streaming broadcasting application. Now, once it opens up this emulator, I've got another timer. It's going to wait for this advertisement so it doesn't mess us up, hopefully. And what this little spam bot is going to do is click the first person on this feature page. And when the broadcast opens up, it's going to maximize the screen. It's going to open up the chat down here at the bottom. And it's going to start spamming random comments. Now, what this does is it tricks the application into thinking there's more going on in the stream than there actually is, which boosts the broadcaster's rating and keeps them up at the top spot on this feature page longer. So it's essentially boosting their advertisement. And I put a timer because you're not allowed to spam comments more than like every 5 seconds, so I play around and make some adjustments. But yeah, this thing will keep going. There's a failsafe in it, so I can turn it off if I just move the mouse to the upper left corner. But this entire process is automated. I use the time module, I use the random module to pull random elements off of the list and spam them into the chat. And this actually drastically makes a difference in a person's popularity and will keep them at this top spot for a prolonged period of time. So I just wanted to make a video because I thought this was really cool that I finally got it working, and actually prove that the code works and interacts with an Android emulator and programs and applications on my laptop. So 3 minutes, I'm going to cut this video short. Thank you.